Hi there and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my happy home. In this video I'm going to share with you my outdoor fall decor in my backyard, and now I'm just showing you how my backyard looks like right now with still some summer decor out. And yeah, I haven't really paid too much attention to the backyard lately, and as you can see, it really needs some TLC, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a little weeding, cleaning up the space, and get rid of some dead plants and stuff like that. So yeah, if you want to see the final result, then I suggest you keep on watching. And this is the final result. I have moved some of my plants over here, and this is a basket that I have all year round. I just put in some fall decor, nothing too fancy. And my mom, it is looking a bit pitiful, but I am sure it will be blooming really soon because of all the buds that it has. And yeah, fortunately all my moms, well, not all my moms, but some of my moms had survived the winter, so I am really happy about that as well. So yeah, I am going to let you enjoy this tour of my backyard, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would really love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and joining me on my channel. For now, thank you so much for watching, and have a very blessed day, and I'll see you again in my next video really soon. Bye.